Imagine a healthy, delicious gourmet dinner cooked in your own kitchen from scratch, all with just the simple tap of your finger. Some might describe it as the future, others a lifesaver. We call it sous vide, the refrigerated multi-zone kitchen robot cooker, plus smart meal kit delivery service. Life is busier than ever. Providing nutritious, fresh, flavorful meals for our families has become such a challenge. The time and energy it takes to shop, prep, cook, and clean, we just don't have it. Our fresh, chef-inspired dinners are all created with natural and raw ingredients that can be customized to your taste and delivered straight to your door in refrigerated packaging weekly. Sous vide automatically detects your food and keeps it refrigerated until its algorithms tell the appliance exactly when to start cooking, so everything is ready for you at the same time. All you have to do is load your sous vide in the morning, go about your business, and come home to enjoy a fully cooked dinner. No prep, no stress, just a perfectly prepared dinner that's ready when you are. Imagine the freedom and time you'll save.
Hi, I'm Kevin, a former Apple engineer.
And I'm Robin, founder of Reviewed.com.
2 years ago, we set out to design a revolutionary cooking appliance that was beyond anything on the market. We were tired of takeout and delivery, and we found that traditional meal kits took too long to prep and clean up. We knew there was a better way, and that's when we invented sous vide, the smart, refrigerated, multi-zone cooker that works with meals of fresh, raw, ready-to-cook ingredients.
We estimate that with sous vide, you can save an average of 6 hours per week. That's 6 hours you could be spending with your friends or family, or just being more productive and getting more things done. You can always put your own food in sous vide, but if you order sous vide meals, there's no prep required. You can pick one of our chef-designed meals that serve 2 to 4 people, or customize your own from over 10,000 combinations. Meals are made up of raw proteins, fresh vegetables, raw starches, and delicious sauces created by our gourmet chefs. To cook your fish, chicken, and meat, sous vide uses the French master chef technique of sous vide, heating them vacuum sealed in a water bath to the perfect serving temperature. Pastas and grains are boiled and steamed. Vegetables are cooked flawlessly using steam and then roasting. And sous vide even automatically drains pasta for al dente perfection. Unlike traditional sous vide systems, sous vide has a broiler that roasts your vegetables and proteins right before it's time to serve your meal. And our award-winning chefs have created sauces and garnishes to give your meals a 5-star finish.
Over the past 2 years, we've tested and iterated on dozens of prototypes. Now we're ready to bring sous vide to you, and we're looking for your support to help us revolutionize dinner together.
Let the sous vide kitchen robot give you the time and gourmet healthy meals you deserve. The future is here. Join the sous vide dinner revolution.